Hello friends, welcome to Green Discovery. Today, we are taking you inside one of the largest and most advanced grape-growing regions in the world, California. This single state produces more than 80% of all grapes grown in the United States, making it the backbone of America's grape industry. Every year, California farmers harvest over 6 million tons of grapes, supplying fresh markets, juice factories, and world-famous wineries. The journey of a grape begins long before harvest, deep in the soil. Before planting, farmers carefully prepare the land. California vineyards are usually built on well-drained sandy or loam soils, which allow grape roots to breathe. The land is deep plowed up to 2 feet to break hard layers and improve root growth. Soil tests are conducted to measure nutrients and acidity, and farmers adjust the soil pH to the ideal range of 5.5 to 6.5. Organic compost is mixed in to increase fertility, while drip irrigation systems are installed to deliver precise amounts of water directly to the roots, reducing water waste by up to 40%. Planting season in California usually starts in February and continues through April. Grapes are not grown from seeds. Instead, farmers plant young, grafted grapevines chosen for strength and disease resistance. Each vine is planted in straight rows, spaced 6 to 10 feet apart, allowing sunlight, airflow, and easy machine access. These vines require patience. For the first 2 years, they focus on root and vine development. By the 3rd or 4th year, the vineyard reaches full production and can continue producing grapes for 25 to 30 years. Weather and climate. The secret to quality. California's climate plays a huge role in grape quality. The state enjoys long, dry summers with daytime temperatures often reaching 85 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, while nights cool down by 20 to 30 degrees. This temperature difference helps grapes develop sugar, color, and flavor. Regions like the Central Valley produce large volumes of table and juice grapes, while Napa and Sonoma valleys focus on premium wine grapes. Farmers walk the rows daily, pruning vines, managing pests, and monitoring irrigation. Modern vineyards also use GPS-guided tractors and moisture sensors to optimize growth. Harvest season usually begins in July and lasts until October. Table grapes are harvested earlier in the season, while wine grapes are harvested later when sugar levels are higher. Farmers carefully monitor sugar content using a measurement called brix, with wine grapes typically harvested at 22 to 26 brix. Harvesting often occurs early morning or at night to protect grape quality in the cool temperatures. Hand harvesting, the traditional way. In premium vineyards, especially in Napa and Sonoma, grapes are harvested by hand. Skilled workers use sharp clippers to cut grape clusters carefully, placing them gently into bins. A single worker can harvest 1 to 2 tons per day. Hand harvesting protects grape quality, minimizes damage, and is essential for high-end wine production. Machine harvesting, speed and efficiency. In large-scale vineyards, mechanical harvesters are widely used. These machines drive between rows and gently shake the vines, causing grapes to fall onto conveyor belts inside the harvester. Powerful fans remove leaves and debris. One machine can harvest over 100 tons of grapes per day, replacing the work of 40 to 50 laborers. Machine harvesting is especially common for juice grapes and large wine operations. Cleaning and quality check, sorting the best grapes. After harvesting, grapes go through a thorough cleaning and quality control process. Leaves, stems, and damaged grapes are removed. Many facilities use optical sorting machines that scan thousands of grapes per second. Only grapes that meet strict quality standards move forward for processing, ensuring consistent flavor and appearance. Transport to factories. Speed matters. Clean grapes are loaded into food-grade bins, each holding 1 to 2 tons, and transported by trucks to juice processing plants and wineries. Most grapes reach their destination within 4 to 6 hours of harvest to prevent spoilage and maintain freshness. How American farmers produce wine grapes. From traditional to modern methods, American wine grape production is a blend of tradition, science, and modern technology. While California dominates the industry, other states like Oregon, Washington, and New York also play a key role. Producing high-quality wine grapes begins long before harvest and requires careful attention throughout the year. Traditionally, grape growing starts with selecting the right land. Farmers look for well-drained soils, gentle slopes, and regions with adequate sun exposure. Vineyards are often located in valleys and hillsides, where air circulation reduces disease and frost risk. In the early days, farmers relied on experience and observation to plant, prune, and harvest vines. Soil preparation involved manual plowing, adding compost, and testing acidity by feel or simple chemical tests. Planting is usually done in spring, with young grafted vines chosen for their disease resistance and flavor potential. Vines are planted in rows with careful spacing to allow sunlight, airflow, and ease of harvest. Traditionally, farmers pruned vines by hand, carefully removing unwanted shoots and leaves to direct energy into grape clusters. This manual attention ensured healthier plants and higher quality fruit. During the growing season, American farmers monitor weather and soil conditions closely. Traditionally, they used rain gauges, visual inspections, and experience to determine irrigation and pest control. Vineyards require constant care, including pruning, leaf management, and pest prevention. Modern practices have added precision technology, such as soil moisture sensors, weather stations, and drone monitoring, allowing farmers to track plant health and growth accurately. Harvesting wine grapes can be done by hand or machine. Hand harvesting remains common for premium wines, especially in Napa and Sonoma. Workers carefully cut grape clusters with clippers, avoiding damage, and transport them in small bins to preserve freshness. Machine harvesting, which became popular in the late 20th century, allows large vineyards to harvest over 100 tons per day. Mechanical harvesters shake vines to release grapes onto conveyor belts. Then remove leaves and stems. This method is faster and cost-efficient, though hand harvesting is still preferred for high-end wines. Once harvested, grapes are cleaned, sorted, and transported quickly to wineries. In the winery, the fermentation process begins. Traditionally, grapes were crushed by foot or simple presses, while today, modern wineries use stainless steel presses and temperature-controlled fermentation tanks. Yeast converts sugar into alcohol, producing wine. After fermentation, wine is aged in stainless steel tanks or oak barrels for months or years, depending on the style. In conclusion, American wine grape production blends traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. From careful vineyard management to advanced harvesting and fermentation techniques, farmers ensure the grapes produce wine that is flavorful, consistent, and enjoyed around the world. Whether using hands-on methods or automated systems, the goal remains the same: high-quality grapes that make exceptional wine. Grape production in America, varieties, harvesting, and exports. The United States is one of the world's leading grape producers, with over 7 million tons of grapes grown annually. California dominates production, contributing more than 80% of the total U.S. grape harvest, while other states like Washington, New York, and Oregon also grow significant volumes. American grapes are grown for fresh consumption, wine production, juice, and raisins. The most widely grown varieties in the U.S. depend on the purpose. For table grapes, popular varieties include Thompson Seedless, Red Globe, Flame Seedless, and Crimson Seedless. These grapes are large, sweet, and perfect for eating fresh. For wine grapes, California is famous for Cabernet Sauvignon, Chardonnay, Merlot, Pinot Noir, and Zinfandel. Other states like Oregon focus heavily on Pinot Noir, while Washington grows Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Riesling, and Syrah. Raisin grapes, primarily Thompson Seedless, are mainly grown in California's Central Valley. A large portion of U.S. grapes are exported, generating significant revenue. Table grapes are exported to countries including Canada, Mexico, the United Kingdom, and South Korea, while wine grapes are processed domestically into wine, which is then exported globally. American wine exports reach over 150 countries, with top markets including the United Kingdom, Canada, Japan, and China. Fresh table grapes are in high demand due to their quality and flavor, and the U.S. maintains strict quality standards to meet international market requirements. Harvesting grapes in America uses a combination of traditional hand methods and modern mechanical machines. In premium vineyards, especially those producing wine grapes, hand harvesting remains essential. Workers use clippers to carefully cut grape clusters, placing them into small bins to prevent damage. Hand harvesting is slow but preserves grape quality and is essential for high-end wines like Napa Cabernet or Sonoma Chardonnay. For large-scale vineyards and juice or raisin production, mechanical harvesters are widely used. These machines drive between vine rows and gently shake the vines, causing grapes to fall onto conveyor belts. Fans and sieves remove leaves, stems, and debris. One harvester can collect over 100 tons of grapes per day, dramatically increasing efficiency. Modern harvesters are sometimes equipped with optical sensors to measure grape ripeness in real time, ensuring that only mature clusters are collected. In addition to harvesting, machines are also used for sorting, cleaning, and transporting grapes. Conveyor belts move grapes to processing lines, where optical sorters remove damaged fruit. For juice production, grapes are crushed and pressed, while wine grapes are transported quickly to wineries for fermentation. Weather plays a critical role in grape growth, quality, and harvesting. Grapes are highly sensitive to temperature, sunlight, humidity, and wind. In California and other major U.S. grape-growing regions, farmers closely monitor weather throughout the year to protect the vines and ensure high-quality fruit. During the day, hot summer temperatures can reach 85 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. While warm days are essential for sugar accumulation and color development, excessive heat can stress the vines, cause grapes to shrivel, or even trigger sunburn on the fruit. Conversely, cool nights, sometimes 20 to 30 degrees cooler than daytime temperatures, slow respiration in the grapes. This allows the sugars, acids, and flavor compounds to remain balanced, producing sweeter and more flavorful grapes. Rain and humidity also impact grape quality. Excess moisture close to harvest can increase the risk of mold, mildew, or rot, especially in tightly clustered varieties. Strong winds can damage vines or knock grapes from the clusters, reducing yield. Because of these factors, grape farmers carefully plan harvest timing to avoid adverse weather. One important adaptation to weather is nighttime harvesting. Picking grapes during the cooler nighttime hours has several advantages. Preserves grape quality. Cooler temperatures slow down grape respiration and reduce spoilage. Grapes stay firmer, juicier, and fresher for processing. Maintains sugar levels. Daytime heat can cause grapes to lose water through evaporation, which can slightly reduce sugar concentration. Night harvesting prevents this. Protects delicate varieties. Premium wine grapes like Pinot Noir or Chardonnay are especially sensitive. Cooler harvest prevents bruising and fermentation from starting too early. Worker comfort and efficiency. Night harvesting is safer and more comfortable for workers in hot regions like California, improving productivity and reducing fatigue. Night harvesting is combined with mechanical or hand harvesting, depending on vineyard size and grape purpose. Trucks and bins are kept cool, and grapes are transported quickly to processing plants or wineries to maintain quality. How American farmers produce grape juice. Varieties and factory process. Grape juice production in the United States is a major agricultural industry that combines modern farming practices, advanced factory technology, and strict food safety standards. Every year, American farmers produce millions of tons of grapes, and a large share of this harvest is dedicated to juice production. California leads the industry. While states like New York, Washington, Michigan, Pennsylvania, and Ohio are also well known for juice grape farming. Grape varieties used for juice production. The most important grape variety used for juice in America is the Concord grape. Concord grapes are dark purple, thick-skinned, and extremely juicy. They have a strong, sweet tart flavor and are rich in natural antioxidants, making them perfect for juice. Concord grapes are mostly grown in the eastern and northern states, especially New York and Washington. For white grape juice, American farmers commonly use Thompson seedless grapes, mainly grown in California's Central Valley. These grapes are mild in flavor, high in juice yield, and easy to process. Another variety sometimes used is Niagara grapes, which produce light-colored juice with a fruity taste. Each variety is chosen based on sugar level, acidity, and juice content. Growing and preparing grapes for juice. Grapes grown for juice are planted in large, well-organized vineyards. Farmers prepare the soil by deep plowing and adding organic matter to improve drainage and root growth. Drip irrigation systems are widely used to save water and deliver moisture directly to the roots. Throughout the growing season, farmers monitor temperature, rainfall, and vine health. Grapes need warm, sunny days and cool nights to develop balanced sugar and acidity. Since juice grapes are grown in large volumes, farmers focus on uniform growth and high yields rather than appearance. Once harvested, grapes are loaded into large food-grade bins and transported by truck to juice processing plants. Speed is very important. Most grapes reach the factory within 4 to 6 hours after harvest to prevent spoilage and quality loss. Some trucks are temperature controlled to keep grapes cool during transport. Grape juice factory process. At the juice factory, grapes go through several carefully controlled steps. 1. Washing and sorting grapes are washed with clean water to remove dirt, dust, and insects. Sorting machines remove damaged or unripe grapes to ensure consistent quality. Crushing and heating. The grapes are crushed to release juice. For purple grapes like Concord, the crushed mixture is gently heated to extract color, flavor, and nutrients from the skins. Pressing. After heating, the juice is separated from skins and seeds using industrial presses. 1 ton of grapes can produce 150 to 180 gallons of juice. Filtration and clarification. The juice is filtered to remove remaining solids. Clarification creates a smooth, clear product with consistent texture. Pasteurization. The juice is briefly heated to kill harmful bacteria and microorganisms. This step ensures food safety and extends shelf life without the need for preservatives. Cooling and storage. After pasteurization, the juice is rapidly cooled and stored in large stainless steel tanks until packaging. American grape juice production is a perfect example of how traditional farming meets modern technology. From carefully selected grape varieties to advanced factory processing, every step is designed to produce safe, flavorful, and high-quality juice. Thanks to skilled farmers and modern factories, grape juice remains one of the most popular beverages in America and around the world. American grape production is a highly organized industry, blending traditional practices with advanced technology. With millions of tons produced annually, exported worldwide, and grown in a wide range of varieties, the U.S. grape industry continues to grow. From hand-harvested wine grapes to machine-collected table and raisin grapes, American farmers use innovation and expertise to supply some of the world's best grapes to domestic and international markets. From soil preparation to planting, growth, harvesting, and processing, grape harvesting in California combines nature, technology, and human effort. Every grape has a story, from the farmer's hands to the juice in your glass or the wine in your cellar. Thank you for watching Green Discovery. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time for another amazing discovery.